Your company is in the market for a SASE SD-WAN solution, and you've heard of Cato Networks, but AI is a big thing these days. And does Cato use AI, and how do they use it? My name is Mike Smith. I'm the president of AeroCom. Let's put our heads together on this. But before we get too far ahead, if you'd like more information on Cato Networks or any of their competitors, reach out, send me an email, give me a call. I'd love to help you on this. Don't call Cato directly. Contact me because I know the inside scoop on all this stuff. I also know all the other competitors out there, and based on what your company's requirements are, I can give you all kinds of good information on Cato. I can introduce you to Cato, get a good demo of them, get you quotes on them, as well as any other vendor that you'd like to see or that I think might be a good fit for you. My name is Mike Smith. I'm a broker. I've been doing this for over 20 years, and I know the industry inside and out. I will help your company make a lot better decision on this SD-WAN SASE project in a fraction of the time it would normally take you. So send me an email, give me a call. I'd love to help you. I love talking about this stuff as you've seen these videos. It's the reason why I do the videos. So if you got something from this video, that's the way you can say thank you, is reach out and ask me for quotes on the vendors. So definitely do that. More information on that at the end of the video. Also, don't forget to go to our website, aerocominc.com. You can read information on Cato and all the other SD-WAN SASE vendors out there. You can watch videos on them. You can write reviews on the providers you've had experiences with. You can read reviews on providers. It's a really cool website. Go check it out. Also, as always, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of my weekly videos that I put out there. So today we're going to talk about Cato AI, but if you'd like information on my review of Cato Networks in general, or my video I've done on Cato's pricing, go take a look at those videos out there. I just want to do a quick plug for those in case you're looking for additional information or more videos. All right, so Cato Networks uses AI in a lot of different ways, but today I'm going to talk about the 6 major ways that Cato Networks uses AI and machine learning in their SASE solution. Okay, the first way Cato Networks uses AI is through threat intelligence. By that I mean their global blacklist. So every 2 hours, Cato's AI is going through every possible indicator of compromise on its entire global network and deciding, should we add that indicator of compromise to the blacklist, or should we remove it from the blacklist? That's something AI is doing continually for Cato. The second way that Cato Networks uses AI and machine learning is through threat prevention. So Cato Networks AI doesn't just use signatures to identify threats and take action. Signatures is like, hey, this is a known threat. This is the pattern of this known threat. We know that. So every time we see that pattern, we block it. That's a signature. Cato doesn't just do that. They actually go a step further and do heuristics, which are really mathematical algorithms that analyze all the behavior that's going on out there, all those possible threats. It uses an algorithm to assign a threat score to it to decide how much maliciousness might be involved in that URL or web address, that domain name maybe, and it decides, does it block it or not block it, depending on the maliciousness score that the heuristics are giving it. So it's going a step further, not just signatures, but heuristics for threat prevention. Another way Cato Networks is using AI is client and device classification. So every time something new gets on your network, real time Cato is running AI to decide, what is this and what classification should I give this? Is this an operating system? Is this a thumb drive? Is this an IP desk phone? Is this a mobile device? So it's using AI to categorize anything new that jumps on the network and then assign security protocols based on that category. Cato is also classifying applications. So any unclassified application that jumps onto your network, Cato classifies it, gives it a risk score, and then decides what to do with it based on that. So it's using AI real time. So any application that's running that hasn't already been classified, it's automatically deciding, is this high risk or not? and it's going to do something based on that score. And Cato is using AI for detection and response. So they're making SOC teams and NOC teams better by anything that's happening on the network. It's giving them a quick AI summary of what happened, what was affected, the level of risk that they think is involved in this, suggested actions that they should do with it, and also giving them a view of what other things might be related. So maybe it's something that came across your, one user's computer, but it thinks that something related also hit the printer, and it also hit another user's mobile device. So it's giving you a big, wide area look of what might be going on, categorizing the threat and suggesting possible responses. And so the last one on my list is that Cato is using AI to help its autonomous self-healing infrastructure. So what that is it's using AI real time to always detect any possible future issue in the infrastructure and fix it if it can, and if not, give you an alert on it. So it's saying that, hey, I see something that may cause a problem in your infrastructure down the road. Let's identify it right away. And if it's something that it can self-heal and fix right away, it will do that. If it's not, it will be alerting you. So those are the major ways that Cato Networks is using AI to enhance its product. Again, if you'd like more information on Cato Networks, don't reach out to them directly. Actually, reach out to me. Send me an email, give me a call. I will introduce you to the right people to work with at Cato. They can give you all types of great information, the people that I've been working with for many, many years and helped all my customers. So I know who to work with there. Send me an email, give me a call, I'll introduce you to them. Also make sure you get the best pricing on Cato Networks. And if your company is shopping around and wants additional quotes or wants to look at other similar solutions, I can also suggest solutions for that as well. I'm a broker for all the major SASE SD-WAN vendors out there, and I've been doing this for over 20 years. So I know the landscape inside and out. So based on your company's requirements, I'll tell you which vendors you should be quoting and why. I'll introduce you to those vendors. I'll introduce you to the best salespeople you should be working with at those vendors. We'll get you a demo. We'll have the vendors give you a quote. I'll oversee the quote to make sure you get the best pricing possible on the vendor of your choice. And on top of all that, your company doesn't have to pay me anything for my broker fee. The service providers like Cato actually pay me my broker fee, so your company doesn't have to pay me anything. So there's no excuse not to at least reach out and get my opinion on this stuff. I can probably help you, and I will definitely help your company make a lot better decision in a fraction of the time. So send me an email, give me a call. I would love to talk to you. I love talking about this stuff. It's the reason why I do these videos. And if you like the video, it's a nice way to say thank you to me, is reach out for more information on Cato if that's what you'd like to see. All right, don't forget to go to our website, aerocominc.com. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel so you don't miss any of my future videos that I put out there. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you on the next one.